Close your eyes and picture a blade, refined, sleek, forged in fire, designed for one purpose, precision. Now imagine that blade with wheels, a motor, and a scream that slices the silence of the streets. That's the Suzuki Katana 1000. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a modern tribute to a legend. It's where heritage meets horsepower, where retro styling fuses with futuristic fury, and where every ride feels like drawing a weapon. If you're looking for the perfect blend of nostalgia and raw, razor-sharp power, then hold tight, because the Katana doesn't ride, it strikes. From the first glance, the Katana demands attention. It's got that unmistakable retro headlamp look with LED precision, squared off in tribute to the original 1981 icon. But this isn't a museum piece, this is a street warrior reborn. With chiseled bodywork, aggressive stance, and that dramatic front fairing, the Katana stands out like a katana blade in a drawer full of butter knives. Its design pays homage to its legacy, but its heart beats with the fury of a 21st century street fighter. That heart is a 999cc inline 4 taken straight from the legendary GSX-R 1000. Tuned specifically for mid-range torque and street responsiveness, it pumps out a monstrous 150 horsepower at 10,000 revolutions per minute and 108 Nm of torque. But it's not just about peak numbers, it's about how that power hits. Twist the throttle, and it doesn't pull, it surges. Like the draw of a sword, the power comes fast, clean, and surgical. From city sprints to mountain curves, this bike isn't guessing. It's calculated. It knows exactly where the power needs to be, and it puts it there instantly. The Katana's chassis is just as sharp. Lightweight aluminum twin-spar frame, fully adjustable KYB suspension, and a swing arm borrowed from the GSX-R 1000 give it agility you can feel in your fingertips. Cornering is confident, transitions are fluid, and the balance between aggression and control is nothing short of masterful. You don't ride the Katana, you command it. It responds to your input with the precision of a blade guided by instinct. But don't think this machine is all muscle and no mind. It comes equipped with a full electronics suite that keeps you connected, confident, and always in control. The ride-by-wire throttle delivers seamless response, while the Suzuki Intelligent Ride System (SIRS) gives you a full menu of rider aids, traction control, ABS, and selectable power modes. Want smooth cruising through the city? Dial it down. Ready to shred through the twisties? Crank it up. The Katana adapts, evolves, and sharpens itself to match your style. And then there's the dash, a full-color LCD that displays everything from gear position to lean-sensitive data. It's modern, crisp, and right where you need it. The ergonomics, perfectly tuned for sporty street riding. Upright enough for long hours, aggressive enough for spirited rides. The handlebar position, the seat shape, the rider triangle, it's been engineered for real-world domination. And speaking of comfort, the seat cushioning and grip surface have been refined to deliver both support and feel, keeping you locked in whether you're cruising or carving. Now let's talk price. The Suzuki Katana 1000 starts around $13,879 USD, depending on market and trim. But don't judge this bike by digits alone. Because what you're getting for that price is a full-liter street bike, packed with race-bred engineering, timeless styling, and cutting-edge features, all wrapped into a package that looks like it just time-traveled from the future carrying the soul of the past. There are things about the Katana that most riders won't notice, but you will. Like the way the body panels have been sculpted not just for looks but for airflow. The way the exhaust note has been tuned to balance aggression and civility. The details in the seat stitching, the gloss on the tank, the matte finishes on the frame, it's art meeting performance. And when you're riding it, you'll feel it. The harmony of machine and motion, the effortless glide through chaos, the calm control at high speeds. And here's something even deeper. The Katana isn't just about performance specs and styling cues. It represents something larger. It's Suzuki's way of saying, we remember. We remember what made motorcycles exciting. We remember what made riders fall in love with two wheels. And now, with this reborn Katana, they've delivered that memory in metal, rubber, and fire. It's a message to every rider who wants something more than just another naked bike. This is for the ones who respect history but ride into the future.